Okay, so this is a different type of problem. Instead of asking us to perform multiple transformations, transformations have been done, and we need to prove that triangle ABC is congruent to triangle A prime, B prime, C prime. So the way we prove that is by figuring out what can I do, what transformations can be done to this pre-image to get it to map on top of the image. That just means I need to place it right on top of the image and show that they are exactly the same. So what can I do? Clearly some type of rotation has happened because the shape has been turned, or maybe a reflection. So in order to get this shape from here in quadrant 1, I don't know why I made that so sloppy, to get this from here over to this side, I'm going to first reflect it and see how close that gets me. So I'm going to reflect over the y-axis, this line here. And I think that'll be a good start. So maybe I don't have to rotate. So if I reflect, this is here. This is A. B is 1, 2, 3. So I go 1, 2, 3. This is B. And C is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So it gets me here. Now, actually, now I think I can just translate to get it to where it needs to be. So my first step, I'm just going to keep track of what I did. So first I have reflection, reflect over y-axis. My next step, it's too high, so I need to translate, let's see, to get from C to C prime, I need to go down 1, 2, 3. So I'm going to translate down. 3 units. And then I also need to translate left 2 units. So I actually didn't have to rotate. Translate left 2 units. And I'll just make sure that works for everything. So for point B, 1, 2, 3, and then 1, 2. A, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. I don't need to draw the shape, it's there. So first I reflect over Y, over the Y-axis, then translate down and to the left, and this shape will map on top of the image, which proves they are congruent. So these are my 3 steps. I'm pretty sure there's other ways to do it, but this is the way I've tried. If you do something different, as long as you can prove it, then your answer is correct. There's always many ways to get there, but I feel like this was a pretty simple way to do it. So you have one more question like this. Figure out the transformations, and then you'll be ready for the exit ticket.